All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a box of Prizm Hobby 2021 for Rammer Jammer. Good luck, Craig. Yeah, I could do that. Let me do that after this, Ruben. All right, good luck, Craig. All right, we got Killian Hayes, Tyler Bay, Hyper Bruce Brown, Jokic Fireworks Silver. You might need that for the shop. You want base on this one, Craig? Azubuike. Silver coming up. It is Joe Harris. Ruby Wave is PJ Washington. And tribute is Giannis. Giannis tribute. Nice one there. All right, we got Aaron Neesmith. And, ooh, that looks like a rookie. It is Kenyon Martin Jr., Purple Ice. Purple Ice Kenyon Martin Jr. That is numbered to 175. And we got Torrey Craig autograph. Just the big boy base? All right, you got it. All right, Emmanuel Quickly and Isaiah Stewart. And Hyper is Kyrie Irving, Chris Middleton, KG. I wonder if they're going to do Prizm Black for basketball at all. Vernon Carey, Cole Anthony. And silver is Lonnie Walker and Giannis widescreen silver. Oh, Torrey Craig. Oh, the picture's Jeremy Grant, huh? All right, silver is Lonzo Ball. And blue is Terrence Davis. Giannis. Tyrese Maxey. Elijah Hughes. And Hyper is Zubac. And red is Clint Capella. Autograph is Toppin. Toppin rookie auto. Wrong ball, that's for sure. Stanley. Silver is Klay Thompson, DiVincenzo, and John Morant, second year tributes or flashback. Come on, let's get like a gold tribute or something. Oh, we got a silver tribute. Good luck. And it is James Harden, silver tribute. Joel Embiid, LeBron James. James Wiseman. That actually looks okay. Never mind. Centering on these. Oh, we got a Mojo. Come on, big Mojo. Is Jordan Clarkson. Mojo at a 25. Anthony Davis. All right, 2 more packs. No big color. Just got the one rookie color. No, I sold my Clarkson PC a long time ago. Desmond Bain. Silver is Jason Tatum. And we got Magic Johnson, Ruby, Kyrie Irving. And last pack. I used to have all his big cards too. Skylar Mays. And rookie silver is last one, Najee Harris. Or not Najee Harris, Zeke Najee. I'm getting tired. And Mojo is Scottie Pippen. 2 Mojos in the same box. Fearless Mojo. Scottie Pippen. 2 out of 25. Kyle Lowry. And that is it. All right. Thanks again, Craig. Sorry, no monsters in that one. Appreciate it as always.